And Jesus still be the hero, yeah. Scheme, but I keep it on the D-low. My city feel like Primos. Every day feel like opening day. And I used to feel like B-roll, huh?
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. That is some walk just to get the mail. But I get a chance to think about such things as, do the third-party makers of Oculus Quest 2 head straps think that, wow, the official ones really did skimp some corners on build quality, hence the massive recalls in this video today. In the midst of exporting my last Oculus video, my Elite head strap popped in half after just sitting on a countertop, hence where we are today. So I just thought it would be appropriate to tell you what to do when your Oculus Quest 2 Elite head strap breaks. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do, and this is a little bit of a list, is get the following things together. Using my trusty phone to break this list down, you're going to need your full name, shipping address, and phone number. Proof of purchase, such as a receipt or invoice, more on that in a second. Preferred email address for shipping labels, Oculus username and or email address associated with your account. A photo of where the crack damage is on the head strap. Pictures of the serial number. Elite straps with no battery won't have a serial number, and they may have date codes instead. And date codes can be found on both sides of the straps. And the serial number on the Oculus Quest 2 headset itself, the part that has the screens, the serial number is probably gonna begin with a 1WMHH. Now, once you have most of that in order, head to support.oculus.com to submit a support ticket. I say most of that because I bought my head strap out of Target and did not have the paper receipt, but Oculus or Facebook or Meta now said, since I had that list of everything else that I just mentioned, they were gonna do the replacement. Now, if you're approved, and I don't exactly know what the approval process is after all of this, you're gonna get an RMA, Return Merchandise Authorization, basically prepaid shipping to send your Oculus head strap back. And they tell you clearly, do not use the original box that your Oculus head strap came in if you just so happen to have it, because when you get a replacement back, it's gonna be a different box than the one that you shipped them the broken head strap in. So it goes out a box coffin and comes back presumably ready for your head in a new prestige carriage. I didn't really have a good analogy here. All in all, from submitting the support ticket to getting the Oculus Quest 2 head strap back, it took a week and a half, which was nice and speedy. I even started to submit my claim on the support.oculus.com website, lost my connection, and since they had my email, they were more than happy to continue the conversation over there with me. Facebook's been trying to do some things to get the court of public opinion up, making the Oculus Go wide open seemingly forever, and ditching the requirement to have a Facebook profile just to use the Quest 2 headset. All great moves to try to get that public image pumped up a little bit. Hopefully the metaverse is gonna be a little bit better made than these head straps were. And they're gonna wanna know how their customer service experience went with you. I'm gonna hop into the computer and start that process right now. Mail reads, hi, thank you for contacting Facebook Oculus Support. We hope we were able to assist you. Tell us how we did. Your feedback will be used to help improve our products. The survey is less than 3 minutes. I'm not gonna go through the whole survey with you, but first, how likely you would recommend Oculus to a friend or family member? Pretty likely, considering I did a video on it. So let them know exactly how your experience went. And I know this is just anecdotally, just me. It seems like things have changed for the better with the Oculus customer service group. All right, I'm not gonna lie, it would be kind of an unfunny joke if this box had another broken head strap in it. Some photography YouTubers said their neighbor asked, so you're on YouTube? And they're like, yeah, it's all you do is open stuff? Is that all it is? Just opening things? The easiest thing in the universe to just put on, you just snap it onto the side and hope that it doesn't snap anymore. It's always one side that's a problem. All right, let's try not to break anything else. It's really hard to do facing towards the camera, as I've learned too. There we go. It's a cinch. So I'm curious what the pressure point could be if it's sitting like this. I don't know, I would assume trying to get most of the weight upwards on the face mask part might be better than the head strap part. But some people on their third and fourth Elite straps, so I don't know. Build quality seems quite the same as the last one, but hopefully things will be a little bit better and last longer than a couple of months. We shall see how that goes. Oh, let me take a second here to say, if you like this video, swing on by YeagerShots.com and pick up some channel-themed apparel, as well as photo and video-related apparel. And I've also got some digital prints and fine art prints of photography that you can pick up, and it really does help me out. One more thing you can do, it's totally free. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com. Oh, and check out some of the other Oculus videos we've got up on this channel too.